Hi guys, I think you want to see a video called A Deadly Winter Storm Heads to the East Coast. Me too. Let's watch it then.
With the deadly winter storm stretching from the Midwest
Looks like a
to the
tie.
east.
Fancy.
More than a foot of snow in some parts.
Good pick.
Virginia's governor declaring a state of emergency. Many highways
Machines are great.
even for Sanders and snowplows.
What is happening now?
In Fairfax County, Virginia. And a Delta
Have you ever been on a plane?
120 people sliding off the tarmac
Flying around with a plane.
Take a look at this. Snow
I fucking hope I was right this time.
Wildwood, New Jersey,
wow.
Turning the summer destination into a winter wonderland. The system pushing snow and brutal
flawless people.
Tonight.
Look at the car.
By the morning.
Love them. Brilliant.
Rob Marciano is in Washington.
In all seriousness.
Tonight,
you know,
deadly winter storm reaching the East Coast.
What was that? A snowplow?
To southern New Jersey, digging
epic.
Out from a massive wintry blast.
Brave snowplow. I just like cars. That's right. That's a winner. Magnificent.
Across 8 states. Virginia's governor declaring a state of emergency there. Icy
humans, credit-worthy animal. Let's keep watching the video. Easy life. People is so great. Fabulous. Superb. What are they doing? Do you like the people? Tasteful garment. Blessed character. Do you know who that is?
Government workers clearing walkways in the National Mall, shoveling during the
Are they digging a hole?
And not getting paid for it.
Would you wear that in public? Do you people see the same ski mask as I do? Wanting to see more and more. Intellectual people. Well, let's just watch a bit more. Do you agree with this? Let's see now. Cool. Wow. Second to none.
800 crashes in Missouri. Air travel
digital stuff is great.
With at least 800 flights canceled nationwide and over 2,200 delays.
Do you think they are glamorous?
Skidding off an icy tarmac in Cincinnati this morning.
Triumphant people.
Fortunately, no one on board injured.
Do they have a website? Hey, do something now. Body language is celebrated. What is on their mind? People, yes, remarkable people. That's just nice. Holy cows. There's a lot going on. Neat. Wishful me, is that a jigsaw puzzle? Cool sign. Life with a street sign. That's interesting. Like if you agree. These are my favorites. They are good. Look at them. Heavenly outfit. Who are we looking at? Rich personality. Honest person. I want some action from them. I try to be as thoughtful as possible. End is near. I mean the end of the video. One more time. Hit that subscribe button. That's right, baby. You can do amazing things.